Restoration is coming. Restoration is coming. Restoration is coming. Somebody give the Lord a loud shout. Oh yeah, bring out your two hands. All the years that you have lost, except there is God, with my knees on this altar, all the years that you lost, I announce, let it be restored. Opportunities that you lost, let it be restored. Restored, 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 restored. Let your amen turn down. People of God, there were those that went ahead of her. They are the same persons that came back to her and told her the shoes you are wearing, they are too big for us to feel. I don't care who went before you. I don't care who went before you. What God is about to do in your life, count down with me. It will not be up to 4 weeks. What God will do in your life will make everybody shout. Receive it right now. Receive it right now. Somebody shout, hey.